Hey, what's going on? Today is March 19th, I believe, Thursday, March 19th, 2026. We just did a live video. I want you to come along and I'm going to show you where this trail leads to. Welcome. It's Strolling with me. I'm Todd. Let's get started. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, I want to thank you. So if you watched our live from March 19th, we were just up that way. Right there's the exercise equipment. We were on the observation deck, and that's where I cut the live off at. We did walk down this trail here to get there, but in my live I said that I might take another trail back, and I figure I will do that video. So when we get down to that trail, I will show you. But we are currently still on the Red Blaze Trail here, as you can see. Because a lot of these trails are shut down because they're doing some logging and clearing up the woods from winter time. Big tree. It's a big tree. And he's on a good smell. So this is not the trail that we're going to take. There's another one. So we will catch you when we get down there. So we're still not there yet, but I figured I'd show you this. We're going to cut through here. The trail actually goes around this perimeter here. Here's there's the boy on another good smell. We do a lot of mountain biking up here, but we're going to take a shortcut over these rocks because the trail comes out right here. So we didn't have to walk around that way and come up through. Red Blaze Trail. We're going to cut up through here. I believe this will take you to the other trail. And if not, well, we get to look at some beautiful rocks and some trees growing out of the rocks. Or attaching themselves to the rocks. Very cool. Very cool. I just want to say thank you to everybody that watches my videos, or our videos. The wife is not here today, but I do want to say thank you very much. I believe this is not where we want it to be, but maybe if we go up here, I know down further behind me is where I wanted to go up at. So this sort of just leads around here, but sort of in a circle. They do a lot of mountain biking and stuff like that up here. But let's get down on the main trail, and then when we get to there, I'll get back with you. Alright, I believe this is where we want to be at. We're still on the Red Blaze Trail. And I believe this is a White Blaze, I believe. Do not have a map with me, but there is a White Blaze on that trail. Someone's in a hurry once again. We've done a lot of walking this morning. A lot of up and down, climbing on some rocks, this and that. But if you enjoy nature and walks in the woods and seeing around small towns and stuff like that, hit that subscribe button, because that's what we're going to try to start doing here, as long as the weather is good. But and if you're a dog lover, well, he'll be with. Stop. Thought I heard some rattling sounds. I heard something, but not quite sure what I heard. Here. So, this is part of that exercise trail here. That's the road to go up to the big parking lot. If you watched our live video, takes you up where the observation deck is. Over on the other side of the road, there's the paved path that you can walk on. There are some inclines that are sort of steep, so just to let you know. I believe this one here is pretty flat. There are some steps that go down on that path there. So we are at Rocky Ridge in York County, Pennsylvania. Let's go this way. We're going to go down and around and walk on this exercise path to get back to the parking lot where we parked at. Because this is more of a straight shot instead of winding and stuff. There's a nice little hole in there. I wonder who lives in there. But this is still a nice trail here to walk on. So you can see that they're logging out. Hold on, stop for a minute. See if I can zoom in for you. It's sort of hard to see, but they're probably gotta stop. See, they're marking trees and stuff. Sorry about that. When he's on a smell, he don't listen too well. But it's all good. Another good smell. And you can see that they cut down a whole bunch of trees. I don't know why they cut down some of the good trees. Sort of don't make any sense, because there's a lot of, well, as you can see here, there's a lot of dead trees through here that are standing tall. Actually, right there was one. I don't know. I'll leave it up to the professionals. See, this path here is pretty flat for the most part, but there are some rocks like that. I know behind us there are some like railroad ties. Get over here. There are some railroad ties for steps and stuff. Okay, going over. Go over. Come on. There you go. See, there's a tree that, that's a dead tree. But that's how nature works. Pretty cool. I like when the trees are down for a while and the roots get all washed, get the dirt and stuff washed off, and then there's moss and stuff all over them. Hopefully we'll see something, some more exercise equipment. And you have to be careful too, because there's rocks that stick up on this path, along with all the other ones. But that's just how it is. So I was going to do it live back there, but I decided not to. Hello. There's some railroad ties, and this brings you out to the pavilions, so you can't cross over. That's all closed off. And you go up that way to the pavilions. There's some more. Well, they're not railroad ties, but they're 6x6s. That path there will take you up to the pavilion up there, and this one here will take you up to this pavilion. A little bit shorter walk than walking in the woods. We're not walking in the woods that much this winter. It's quite an experience. It's a little tiring, but it was good, and I'm definitely ready to do more of that. I hope you all are too. I think this pavilion here has a fireplace thing in that you can cook on. Pretty big. The rest of them don't. They're just regular pavilions. Charcoal only. Pretty nice. Got some little grills over there. Charcoal grills. And then here is the way out. See some steps here. That's what I was saying, there's some steps. Another pavilion in the parking lots. Just beyond that building is the parking lot. Got a kids area here. There's another kids area down there I showed in one of my other videos. Not sure which one, but it's in there. And there's horseshoe pits over there. But I think that's going to do it for the day. We're going to head back, go home, edit this video, and I got to get some other work done. So I want to thank you for coming along and joining us on this video. And somewhere there is Old Glory. Have a great day, and remember to treat yourself with kindness and other people also. We will catch you in the next one, my friend. Have a great day.